Well, we're going to try a cold start on this little S10 or S15 I got down here. It ain't been started. I'm going to say it's been well over a year. I've had it stored away down here. It's too dark for y'all to see anything in there. I brought my jump box down, but I don't know if it's going to have enough power in it to start it or not. Like I said, the little truck ain't been started. It's been a long time. And my little jump box ain't been charged up in a while, so I don't know. This may not work. We'll try it. Well, we have light. Might not be enough to crank it though. Nah, my little jump box is about down. Well, let me see if I can hook a jumper cable or charger to it and help it. While we're sitting down here, I'll just kind of do a little swing around here. Anybody that's watched my channel has seen that old dude. There's no Ford. One of these days I might paint it up and fix it. It'll mow and run and everything. There's the wife's John Deere. There's my Dixon 60-inch cut. Let me let that charge just a little bit more. We'll try it. Well, I'll start y'all back in a minute. Well, I pulled my little truck up here beside it. Throw some jumper cables on it. Let's try that. over a year. I hear exhaust leak. A lot of rust blowed out of the exhaust. He is running. So that's a good sign.